Check this out: clean spacing, smooth layout, no flex gap issues. Simple, reliable, and works everywhere. Title of the page is Flexbox Gap Fix. We open the body tag for all visible content. Inside, there's a div with class nav for the navigation bar. We add 4 links: home, menu, offers, and contact. Finally, we close the div and body.at the end. We link our CSS file so the page looks styled. We start with the body. We set a light blue background and use Flex Display to center all content. We justify content to the center and align items to the center, making everything perfectly centered on the page. The minimum height is set to full viewport height, and we remove default margins. Next, we style the navigation bar with the class nav. It also uses Flex to arrange links in a row. The background is white, with padding of 20 pixels and rounded corners. We add a subtle shadow to make the navigation bar stand out. For the links inside nav, we add space between them using margin right on all except the last link. For all anchor tags, we set the text color to dark blue and remove underlines. We give them a light blue background, padding, and rounded corners, making them bold. A smooth transition of 0.3 seconds is added for hover effects. Finally, when hovering over a link, the background changes to a slightly darker blue for a nice interactive effect. This creates a clean, modern, and fully centered navigation bar using Flexbox and subtle styling. And that's it for today's Flexbox Gap Fix tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more web design tips.